Hey, I saw you at the cafe yesterday, but you didn't see me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I went there to meet my old classmate after many years.
That's cool. How did you feel when you met her again?
Well, I felt nervous at first, but then we spoke for hours and it was wonderful.
I understand. Last month, I ran into my childhood friend at the mall.
Really? What did you do when you saw him?
Oh, I just came up to him and we had coffee together. We told each other about our lives now.
That sounds nice. I thought about calling my other friends from school too.
You should. I learned that old friendships are special, even when life takes us in different directions.
You're right. I won't be afraid to reconnect with people from my past anymore.